Hey folks, welcome to another Walkthrough Wednesday. This is Tate Sonia with Primeaux RV. Welcome to another Walkthrough Wednesday. Today we're going to look at the 24FB Puma XLS at only 5,000 pounds. It's got a private queen bedroom. We've got a slide out. It's fully loaded and fully featured. We're going to take a peek at it now. Starting on the outside here, we've got the new fold-in steps. Hides in the camper, out of the weather, that way they don't get rusty and hard to close. Of course, we've got a power awning on this, outside speakers, LED lights in the awning. Guys, we're going to walk around to the back side. There's a couple of really cool things on this one. Of course, we got cable and satellite hookups here on the back. And on the back side, we've got an outside shower here with hot and cold water. Great for washing up the kids, the puppies, or even the gumbo pots. Alright guys, we're going to take a look at the inside now. If you follow me in. Of course, as I mentioned earlier, we've got the slide on this with the dinette. The dinette, of course, folds down and makes another sleeper. Entertainment centers in the back. We've got connections for a TV. You also have the mount that comes with it. We've got the fireplace. Not only does it put out a pretty light, but it also puts out enough heat so on a mildly cool day you don't have to actually run your furnace. That way you save your propane. CD, DVD player is all built in. That also controls the outside speakers. We do have extra sleeping here. You do have a sofa in this one that folds down. Makes a jackknife bed. And of course the middle folds down and you have the cup holders. If we take a look here in the kitchen, we do have the upgraded glass stove cover, cast iron grates, slightly larger oven than the standard, and of course this oven does light itself, so there is a igniter built in so you don't have to light it with a match. Guys, the highlight of this one is the big bathroom here in the back. We've got a full stand-up shower in this. Lots of cabinet space. Extra closet here, and plenty of room for towels and here in the bedroom we've got a full queen bed, and it is a private bedroom on a 24-foot. That's something that's sometimes hard to find. We do have a sliding pocket door here. Hanging storage on either side. We do have power on either side of the bed and USB plugs on one, make it easy to charge the phones. And plenty of storage underneath the bed. Alright guys, thanks for watching another Walkthrough Wednesday. Today we looked at one of our 2019 Pumas. Come out and take a look at the lot. We've got plenty of sales going on right now on not only the 2019s, but some of the newer 2020s that are coming in.